What's up and welcome to this full-blown and complete Figma course. It is the most in-depth course I have ever created, and I wanted to put so much content and value into it that I brought it to a total length of about 4 hours. So it will be everything you need to start using Figma, to start creating your own designs, and to start bringing your ideas to life. Indeed, it will bring you from zero to being a confident Figma user. My name is Max and I'm a senior user experience designer and researcher based in Germany. And I had to figure out everything in that course by myself, and it took me many hours. So my ultimate goal is to save you this time. And whether you're a Figma beginner, a designer, a startup founder, or an entrepreneur, Figma is a great tool for communicating ideas and for communicating design. You will be able to work better with funders, sponsors, colleagues, or stakeholders after completing this course. And even using Figma as such is a great idea for itself, since it's free and it comes with free updates forever, as for example FigJam, which they released earlier this year, and which is an integrated whiteboarding tool, so you don't have to switch over to Miro all the time. So when you sign up for my course, the course material and working files will be provided so that you can start immediately working alongside myself in the videos. I would be thrilled to see you in my course, so check it out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon. Goodbye.